but I started to look at this and we seem to be missing.
Why not? Can you see it? Is that
Yeah.
your hand?
You're right there.
Oh, okay.
Squishing you.
I can just see your hand. I can't see the camera.
Hey everybody, welcome back. I think tonight we'll be finishing the passenger side of the International Fender. We got it prepped and ready last time, and tonight, with the help of my wife, which is right there if you don't see her, we'll be mocking it up like we did this one and attaching it. And to get that done, we're gonna move the front clip into the bed so we can have access to the engine, and hopefully she'll help me with that as well. But anyways, let's head over there and we'll start marking everything and getting ready to drill. All right. Got that fender on. I think it looks pretty good. It's sturdy. Looks right at home. I think we did a pretty good job of getting it centered like the other one. And we also moved the front clip back to the bed. But I started to look at this and we seem to be missing the starter. So that might be an issue in order for us to start it. So put you down a little closer, get a better look. I believe the starter goes right there. So I may have to find the numbers off this engine and transmission and start just getting parts for it. Said I tried to hand turn it and that didn't work out too well. I need to take this fan off eventually. Yeah, I tried to put a bar across these bolts and couldn't budge it. Just busted my knuckles. But now I got better access to see everything too. And there's that steering right there. That we got to figure out. That's what I was thinking about. I said before, like notching from here down to here, and now give us enough room. It's really gonna hurt us, the steering column coming out here. So I'll probably have to take it out through the frame here or something. If y'all have any suggestions, please let me know, because I am stuck. I mean, I like to use this front end, but may have to see what else we can find if it can't get that figured out. The steering column was moved over. It would work a lot better, but I don't think that would be feasible. I mean, if I did take it through where the pedals are supposed to be, it could possibly work. Because I can kind of see what he is trying to do. And that may work. I have to do something to make this, drop this column down just a little bit. That's yeah, that might work. It's probably gonna have to go through that hole. It won't go through that one. Valve cover's in the way. Just don't even want to mess with it. So probably end up going through this hole, and I think we can snake it around. Might not have to do any cutting. We can make it come from here and come down there. I have to get the spline count on that. Wish I knew what it was. Anyways, yeah, that's where we're at. It does look pretty good, if I do say so myself. Got the rear fender on that side and got one on that side. Just need to get this thing figured out. So, like I said, I'm going to find some numbers off of it, look up some parts, and just see how to start this thing. Well, I think that'll do it for me this evening. Looks kind of different now. Got both fenders on and the front clip in the back, and we got the front end free so we can get around it. So just looking around, and I found a starter, which I'm not sure if this is the same right starter for it or not. If y'all know, please let let me know. That will start a diesel engine. We can bolt it up. That's if it works. Not sure if it works or not. Anyways, kind of a short video tonight. So we just want to get the fenders on and that done. So maybe we can start it. Like I said, I'm going to get numbers off the engine, transmission, maybe order a new starter for it and various other things. Need oil and oil filter. But hopefully, once we get those in, we can see if the engine will crank over a little bit. Till then, I think steering, we're going to make a new, don't say a new mount, because we may be able to use this still. We just got to make a piece of metal that goes across where the old one bolted in and drill 2 new holes to mount this, and this will work for that column. Like I said, everybody took the column through the floor there, and I can see how he's doing it. I need a better coupler, and one coupler, probably intermediate shaft, and another coupler, and then something to hold the intermediate shaft stationary so it won't move, because I'm afraid if I don't fasten it down, when I turn, the whole thing is going to be trying to move and hitting everything up there and coming loose. So need to figure out how long we need that shaft to be. Get the couplers to fit from the steering to the shaft, and from the shaft to the rack. I need to count the splines on the rack too. So we may be making a new bracket for this to mount to, so we can put the steering column where we want it and not have to fight it so much. And that way we can just mess with it and see what works best. That may work, that coupler we have up there, for the column to the intermediate shaft, but it will not work for the rack down there. We need a splined one. But anyways, sorry for the short video. Like I said, we're gonna probably order a new starter and change fluids out in the engine. Not sure when the starter will be here. We're gonna try to order it this weekend. Hopefully it'll be here next week, which I'm not counting on it. So anyways, we can change fluids, get a new oil filter. That one's pretty mangled, and get it ready. So if it will turn over, it'll turn over. If not, then we wasted oil and oil filter on it. So, but regardless, we're probably gonna have to pull the engine back out of it at some point, so we can finish welding up everything. And we may have to do that in order to fit the steering just right. So I think I'm probably push the truck back a little bit more. I got some room back here to play with. That way my cherry picker will be in the garage and be able to move it. So once it hits that dirt with that engine on it, it ain't going nowhere. Anyways, if you made it this far, thanks for watching. It does really help the channel a lot. Like I said, I'm going to try this new short thing. I may give you a preview of every video before I shoot it. See how well that goes. May do some short videos of just other stuff around here, car related. But kind of want to get on that and see how that goes for a little bit. But we'll be doing videos every week, normal length, 10 to 15 minutes or so. We do need to start the Camaro, keep on saying that. And we do need to turn the Healy over. So that might be something we shoot in shorts. Anyways, if you like this kind of stuff, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you made it all this way, thank you again. We'll continue on. I really want to push this so we can get out the door and driving. So we may work on this quite a bit next few weeks. But we won't forget about the Bronco. I got some ideas. I gotta talk to some people, see if they'll help me with it or not. But anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.